In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have your Shopify store connected so you can sync data and trigger automations inside your CRM with confidence. Before we dive in, make sure you're logged into your GoHighLevel account with the right permissions and have your Shopify store open in another tab. You'll also want your Shopify Admin API Access token and your store name handy. Keep these secure and never paste them anywhere public or share them on screen. Start inside GoHighLevel. Look for the gear icon labeled Settings, typically in the lower left sidebar. This is your control center for account configurations. Open it and let the page load fully so all options are visible. Taking a second here helps avoid clicking the wrong menu if things are still populating. Next, go to the Integration section. This is where GoHighLevel lists all the external platforms you can connect. Think of it as your hub for syncing tools you already use, like payment gateways, calendars, and of course, Shopify. If your screen is busy, use the search bar or scroll steadily so you don't miss it. Within Integrations, find the Shopify option and click Connect. You should see a dedicated panel or pop-up for Shopify. If a browser prompt appears, allow it. And if GoHighLevel asks for confirmation, proceed. The goal here is simply to open the secure connection path between your CRM and your store. You'll now be asked for two things: your Shopify Admin API and your Shopify store name. For the store name, enter the unique identifier you use on Shopify, the part that appears before .myshopify.com. Make sure spelling and hyphens match exactly. For the Admin API, paste your access token carefully. It's case-sensitive, and extra spaces at the beginning or end can cause failures, so a quick double-check is worth it. Ensure you're using an admin-level token with the permissions your workflows will need, and keep this token private. Once both fields are filled, confirm to complete the connection. You should see a success message or an indicator that the integration is active. If you run into an error, verify the store name format, confirm that the Admin API token is valid and hasn't expired, and try pasting the token again without any hidden characters. Refreshing the integrations page after a minute can also help display the new status. That's it. You opened Settings, navigated to Integrations, selected Shopify and clicked Connect, then provided your Admin API and store name. With the connection live, you're ready to streamline your operations and let GoHighLevel power your Shopify workflows.